Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be introducing you to the new Binance, how to make money on Binance with the Binance Simple N. Or what you have to do, just click on the like button, comment and subscribe. And for those that don't have Binance account, a link will be in the video description below where you have to click on the link and subscribe to Binance, and as simple as that, you start earning money on Binance. So the Binance platform is the Binance Simple N. So when you come to the Binance platform, just have to, you see we have lots of amazing ways where you can make money from Binance here. We have, this is the Binance and Binance savings staking. I'll be doing a video on Binance staking, the level token, sticky swap, crypto loans, launchpad, card, Binance pool, battle and news. I'll do my next video. I'll be explaining some of these Binance products where you can earn money, but for now I'll be showing you how you can use the Binance Simple N. So when you click on Binance, this is the Binance N. Well, the Binance N is the aspect of Binance where you can earn money daily, monthly, yearly, depending on your coins and the plan you choose. Well, so you can see this is the Binance Simple N. So basically I'll be showing you how you can use the Binance Simple N to make money, staking, farming and the dual investment. But for this video I'll be showing how to use the Binance Simple N. You can see these are some of the popular coins on Binance Simple N. We have the ASS Simple N product, and you can make percentage of 76.00 annual percentage rate and a duration of 90 days if you click on subscribe. And you can see these are lots of amazing products here supported by the Binance Simple N where you make lots of money. Well, you can see there are much, you can choose the one that is more suitable for you and you can continue and start making money from it. Well, so the purpose of this video, I'll be doing the Binance Simple N. So this is Binance Simple N. Click on the Binance Simple N, wait for it to load. Okay, so this is Binance Simple N. Like the Binance Simple N, basically like I told you, it has to do with you using some of the coins available here and subscribing to the product. And we have flexible packages. We have flexible package, 30 days duration, 60 days and 120 days for this first token here, which is actually one of the hottest coins available right now on Binance. And you can make for every 120 days, that is for 120 days, if you subscribe to this package, you'll be able to earn 17.59% of this coin. And if you choose the 30 days duration, 60 days duration, you have your own percentage here. This is the Porto coin, which is actually new, that is you to earn 33.26% for 60 days and 30 days. And this Porto coin is supported by flexible package. What this means is that you can withdraw your money anytime you're tired. If you subscribe to this package, for every flexible package you're able to earn 5% daily. For every day you'll be earning 5% of the token. And when you want to cash out your coins, your crypto coins, you can unsubscribe and you cash out your coins. But if you choose the duration, you have to wait for the specific day. If you choose a 30 days duration, which means your crypto coins will be locked for 30 days. If you choose a 60 days duration, your crypto coins will be locked for 60 days until you have completed. And this is what you earn if you subscribe to this package. Well, moving into the GMS is only supported by the flexible package, which means for every day you subscribe to this package, you're able to earn 3% income every day. And you can auto subscribe. What this auto subscribe means is if you click on the auto subscribe, it will automatically send all your GMS crypto coins to this package, and it will be automatically subscribed for your mistake, and you'll be earning your own money daily. So this is Lazio token also, which is supported by flexible only. We don't have duration periods here. So you can see this is the LIT 3% duration flexible, Santos flexible, S&M flexible. So these are lots of crypto coins. The BNB, which is one of the most popular coins here, the BNB, you can make for 120 days. If you stake your BNB, you make 6.89%. So you can see the coins that are less popular, you can make high money from them, and the coins that are actually popular, you won't be able to make much money. So my advice is, if you want to use the Binance Simple N, you should go for coins that are just coming out, because you make lots of amazing profits from them. You can see the BNB for 120 days, if you stake your BNB coin, you're able to earn 6.89%. For 90 days, 4.59%. For 60 days, 3.19%. For 30 days, 2.9%. Ether, 5.68% if you choose the 120 days. 60 days, 2.58. 30 days, 1.49. And if you choose the flexible, you have to earn 0.38% daily. So like I told you, when you click on the auto subscribe, it will automatically subscribe and send all the coins to your crypto wallet. So like I say, this is the Binance and it's a crypto saving account where you have to lock up your crypto and at the end you make daily profit. And if you choose the flexible package, you have to earn money daily till when you want to terminate and not subscribe. And if you use the duration of days, then you have to wait for the days for those days, then you cash out your coin. So you can see you can make amazing awesome money from the Binance simple. And like I told you, just watch all the video like I did and you can choose the one you want to subscribe. And if you're confused, you can private chat me and I'll be there to answer you, give you replies. You can support me by liking my videos, commenting and subscribing to my channels, and you can check my previous videos and watch amazing awesome content I'll be doing. I trust you have a good and amazing awesome day. If that's the case, smash the like button, comment and subscribe. Have a good day.